Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. We shall learn our reproduction in animals part 1 for grade 4 in our today's session. Yes my dears, before getting into the syllabus we shall study our what is reproduction. Reproduction is living things do not live forever. They eventually die. To continue their race, they have ability to produce more of their own kind. Living things do not live forever. We will not live forever. As we are all living things, we die. To continue our race, we have ability to produce our own kind. In general, we can also tell that what is reproduction means. The reproduction, the process by which living things produce their offsprings is called reproduction. Yes my dears, what do we call in general or what do we define the reproduction as means? The process by which living things produce their offsprings is called reproduction. There are different ways of reproduction that we shall study today in a session. What are the types of reproduction? Animals reproduce mainly in two ways. Where animals reproduce in two ways. As we are all animals, is it not? Yes, we are all animals and not only we, all the living beings reproduce in the two ways where they are categorized into two main ways. Like giving birth to babies is the first way by which animals reproduce. The second way is like animals reproduce by the second way, namely by laying eggs. Yes my dears, I hope we have came to know two types of reproduction. Now we shall study one type of reproduction, that is by giving birth to their babies. By giving birth to their babies, where in this process the living organisms or animals reproduce by giving birth to their babies directly. Yes my dears, living beings reproduce by giving birth to their babies. Now we shall study which are the animals that give birth to babies. Animals that give birth to their young ones and feed them with the milk are called as mammals. What they are called as mammals. What are mammals? Means the animals that give birth to their young ones and feed them with milk are called as mammals. Yes, pronounce with me my dears. What are mammals? Or speak out with me. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them milk are called mammals. For example, human beings, cow, sheep, lions, goats, etc. Yes my dears, now mother dog give birth to little puppies and mother cat give birth to kittens. As we have got birth from our mother, here all the living organisms get birth from their mother and they have categorized into two main types, that is giving birth to babies and second thing is laying eggs. We have seen the features of mammals are like they have backbone or spine with highly developed brain. My dears, we are all seeing the picture to our right side that the brain is highly developed and they have backbone. For example, if we are considering snake, that is not a mammal, as that is not at all having the backbone. We can distinguish easily between mammals and other organisms, where mammals have backbone or spine with a highly developed brain. As we are all studying, we are all reading, we are all writing, it is because our highly developed brain. Why? Because we are all human beings. The next feature is they have hair or fur on their body to keep warm. They are called warm-blooded animals because they have a constant body temperature. Yes, my dears, they have hair or fur on their body to keep them warm. Just look over your hands, you are also having some hairs on your hands. It is because why the hairs are present on your skin is because to maintain your body temperature and to keep you warm. Hence, they are called as warm-blooded animals. Not only they, all of us, we also are called as warm-blooded animals because they have a constant body temperature, not all the time. Mammals have four limbs. They may have 2 legs and 2 arms or 4 legs or a pair of flipperies or fins. Mammals have 4 limbs. They may have 2 legs and 2 arms or 4 legs or a pair of flipperies or fins. As we are also mammals, we contain 2 legs and 2 arms. And if we are seeing the other example like dolphin that is having 2 flipperies and 2 flukes. As we are observing the cow, it is not having 2 legs or 2 limbs, it is having 4 legs only. Yes, my dears, the next feature of the mammal is they keep their young ones. They keep their young ones warm and protect them from the enemies and climatic changes. For example, our mother protects us. Is it not? Whenever we are feeling cold, she gives us sweaters which are made from woolen. It is because we are all mammals and our mother keep their young ones warm. The next character is like they live on the land and breathe through lungs. Not all the mammals live on the land and breathe through lungs. There are some exceptional cases which even live in water like dolphin, fish, etc. where they whale, etc. While dolphin and fish, dolphin look like fish but they are also mammals. As we discussed just before, not all the organisms which live on the earth are called as mammals, but there are some exceptional cases like whales, dolphin. They are mammals but they live in the water. Yes, my dears, we have studied some exceptional cases. Now we shall study our little exceptional cases more. Like bat flies like a bird, but it is also a mammal. Yes, because it is having highly developed brain. Moreover, what are mammals are like? Which give birth to their young ones directly. If an organism is having such main characteristic of mammal, it is called as mammals. Even there are some exceptional like duck-billed platypus and spiny anteater are mammals which lay eggs. We have seen the examples like fishes and bats, whale and dolphin which are actually mammals but live in water. But these are the animals which are actually mammals but actually not mammals but still they live on the land. my dears, have very clear idea that we have seen the examples before like dolphin and whale. They are actually mammals but live inside the water. Here we have the examples which are not actually mammals but they still live on the land. My dears, I hope all of you got a little information regarding reproduction, two ways of reproduction, and animals give birth to their young ones. Thank you.